So often in the Gospel of John, Jesus has said things like, if you believe in me, you will have eternal life. And now he just says, listen, if you follow me, you will never taste death. What does he mean? Now listen, unless Christ returns soon, and who wants Jesus to return soon? I want Jesus to return soon. I don't need my nap this afternoon. He can come this afternoon if he wants to. Every one of us will physically die if Christ does not return before that moment. But every one of us is more than just our physical bodies. Every human being is an everlasting soul. You have never met an individual who will disappear at death and never exist again. Every one of us, every one of them, every one of the human race survives death. So when Jesus says, if you follow me, you won't taste it. This is an incredible promise. That at the moment of physical death, the follower of Jesus Christ breathes out their last in this world and breathes in their next breath with Jesus Christ. That's a promise. That's powerful. That's incredible. So if you know Jesus, you will not experience death. Yeah, our physical bodies die. But we will never experience eternity without Jesus. We will be with him forever.